Let's talk about Stalker, crash and startup fix. No error code in a simple Comway. We'll go step by step.
But don't despair, your expedition isn't over. Yet, my friend, today we're diving deep into the most common causes and effective step-by-step solutions to conquer those elusive startup crashes. Then during, you can finally immerse yourself in the unforgiving world of Stalker. We'll cover everything from driver updates and game file integrity to specific system tweaks so you can finally enter the zone without a hitch. First, let's talk drivers, outdated or corrupted graphics. Drivers are a notorious culprit for startup crashes, especially in brand new demanding titles like Stalker. To make sure your drivers are fully updated to the latest stable version, and consider a clean installation using a tool like Do. For the best results, don't forget to check your chipset drivers as well. Sometimes they can cause unexpected conflicts.
Next up, let's ensure your game files are pressed and corrupted or missing. Game files can absolutely prevent Stalker from launching, especially after an interrupted download or a bad patch. Head into your game launcher, whether it's Steam or Epic Games, and use the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. This simple scan often fixes issues by replacing any broken data automatically.
Now let's look at potential conflicts within your system. Sometimes background applications, overlays from Discord or GeForce Experience, or even your antivirus software can inadvertently block Stalker from starting. Try disabling non-essential background programs, any in-game overlays you might be running, and even temporarily whitelist Stalker in your antivirus settings to see if that resolves the crash. Finally, let's tackle administrative privileges and compatibility. Running Stalker as an administrator can often bypass permissions issues that might be causing it to crash on startup. Simply right-click the game executable and select Run as Administrator. If you're still facing issues, briefly explore compatibility, mods, or tweaking display settings directly in the game's config files as a last-ditch effort before considering a full reinstall.